It took the famous Mr. Beast over 1 year to hit 1K subscribers on YouTube. And as you already know, Mr. Beast is currently one of the biggest YouTubers in the world with over 412 million subscribers. And do you know what? Mr. Beast's videos usually hit millions of views, which means that his subscribers are organic. That means they are actively engaging subscribers, not just subscribers. The video he uploaded 2 days before I recorded this video has about 72 million views, and the one he uploaded like a month ago has 160 something million views, and there's another one that's also about a month with over 140 million views. That is to say that currently Mr. Beast is doing so well on YouTube. That means if he had given up at the time he was struggling to get his 1,000 subscribers, by now he would not be where he is today on YouTube, earning $1 million bucks and doing a lot on his channel. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time seeing my face, make sure to smash that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon. Now this is me trying to encourage you who is already tired, burnt out, broke from buying so much data, and already thinking of quitting YouTube. It's going to be worth it at the end. Keep pushing, keep showing up, keep uploading your content, keep staying consistent, and in the end you are not going to remember all of these struggles because they will all be in the past when you'll be seeing your $1 million box entering your bank account every month. You are going to be happy and all smiles, forgetting all of these struggles. So keep showing up, keep pushing, keep doing your thing, and one day pretty soon you'll be like Mr. Beast, earning millions of dollars on YouTube. YouTube has legit sent a lot of kids to school. YouTube has made people's dreams come true. YouTube has paid a lot of people's school fees, and YouTube has paid a lot of people's rent, and is still continuing to pay a lot of people's bills. There are so many people that all they do is YouTube, and if YouTube was not a worthy platform, they would not be doing that. Some people have even quit their 9-to-5 jobs just to focus on YouTube, just to be full-time YouTube creators. So no giving up, because it's going to be worth it at the end. So keep pushing. Nothing good comes easy. YouTube is one of the most rewarding platforms that pays you handsomely. Like, you're sure that YouTube pay you handsomely for doing your best, for bringing in your A game. I said A game, quote unquote, because you have to be doing your best. There are a whole lot of persons doing the exact same thing that you do here on YouTube, so you have to be at your best and you'll be sure to earn handsomely. It's just like doing what you love to do the most. Maybe teaching, maybe fashion, maybe beauty, maybe comedy, or even entertainment, or even news. Just doing what you love to do the most and getting paid handsomely. Just giving people a trip into your everyday's life, or even your life's journey, your family lifestyle, and then you're getting paid handsomely. Doing the regular you, the things you normally do on a daily basis, and just filming it and uploading it on your YouTube channel, and then you are getting paid for it. Because definitely there are people who love to watch other people's lifestyle. There are people who love to see how others do their things. So those people will be interested in your lifestyle, and you'll be earning big from just doing that. After all said and done, make sure that you're uploading your YouTube content the right way. Now, it's always better to use the YouTube Studio mobile version, like using the Google Chrome or whatever browser you use to upload your videos, because number one, you're going to have more features that will help boost your video views when you upload using the Chrome version. Now make sure that before you upload, you have renamed your file, because when you finish editing your file in whether InShot or CapCut, those applications actually save your videos with code numbers. So uploading your videos with those code numbers still there is not the best. Make sure that you're using keywords to save your videos, so that you have more keywords, and that will increase your reach or increase your views on YouTube. So make sure that you're renaming your videos before you upload. Also, organize your videos into playlists. Now, playlists are just grouping your videos together, grouping related videos into a file, and YouTube calls that a playlist. So a playlist is going to help you get more views on YouTube, because when a viewer sees a video from your playlist, they end up seeing 2, 3, 4, or even more videos from that playlist. The good thing is that when a viewer is watching a video from your playlist, every other video that will be recommended by YouTube to that viewer is going to be from your playlist, from your channel. Ordinarily, if your video is not in a playlist, when a viewer sees one video from your channel, YouTube ends up recommending another video from another channel to that viewer. But when you use a playlist, all of your videos on that playlist will be recommended, and that's going to increase your views and increase your watch time in the long run. So make sure that you organize your videos into playlists. If you do not know how you can organize your videos into playlists to maximize views, you can watch this video right here, where I explain everything in details, how you can create a playlist from the beginning and how you can also add existing videos on your channel to a playlist if you have not been using playlists. So make sure to watch this video right here. If you've not been adding end screen and cards to your videos, then you are wrong. Start adding end screen and cards. If you do not know, end screen are those little boxes that pop up at the end of a video. That is, when a viewer watches your video to the end, a box or boxes, several boxes just pop up, prompting the viewer to watch more of your other videos that you have added to that video as an end screen. So like the name implies, end, it usually appears at the end of a video and on the screen. So end screen appears at the end of a video and on the screen, while card on the other hand appears at the top while a viewer is watching the video. There are usually about 5 places you can add your cards, and you can add playlists, you can add videos, and not just videos. You can use playlists, you can use just videos, you can mix both of them, and you can add it in different parts of your video. You can add your cards at the beginning, at the center, or even at the end. There are 5 spots. There are 5 you can add like 5 cards to a video, and when a viewer is watching your video, they just see that little prompt on top of the video, and then they can click on it to watch that particular video, and that's going to give that video more views. If you would like me to create a video teaching how to add your end screen and cards to get more views on your channel, then let me know in the comments. Next thing you should do is make ChatGPT your best friend. Now, AI is a new trend, so if you've not been using AI, you are very wrong. Make sure to ask ChatGPT everything you need to do on your channel, from choosing a title to choosing your description to your tags, so even your thumbnail. Make sure that you're asking ChatGPT. If you want to create a video and you do not have much ideas, you can ask ChatGPT. If you need content ideas, ask ChatGPT. If you need video thumbnails, SEO optimize, ask ChatGPT, and be specific with your niche while you ask. Also turn on embedding. There's a feature you'll see whenever you upload your videos using the mobile version of the YouTube Studio. You're going to see a feature, allow embedding. Make sure to always tick that on so that you can have AI or ChatGPT recommend more of your videos because you have used those keywords in your video. Allowing embedding on your YouTube channel enables you get more views from external sites. That is to say, your videos will be shown in external sites because of the title and the description that you have used to save that video or to upload that video. So you end up getting views from external sites like Google and even ChatGPT sites, AI sites to your video, because your video will be shown to them, and when they click on it, they'll be redirected to YouTube to go and watch that video. So if you've not been using the allow embedding feature on your YouTube Studio, you should start using it now. For all of your underperforming videos, you can re-optimize them using TubeBuddy or vidIQ. Those are amazing apps that you can use and get SEO optimized keywords, title, description, and tags for your videos to make them perform better. So if you've not been using TubeBuddy and vidIQ, start using them now. For all of your underperforming videos, you can go ahead to add them to all of your shorts. Like all the shorts on your YouTube channel, go back to that related videos column and add your underperforming videos to those shorts, so that when those shorts are going viral, you have more possibility of getting views on those underperforming videos. That's a good strategy to getting more views. Also, on your end screen, make sure that you are choosing the video part. Make sure that you're choosing most recent uploads, so that your recent videos would keep getting views. If you do all of these things, you'll be sure that your channel will move forward, your channel will get monetized faster, you will hit your 1K subscribers and 4,000 watch hours real quick. If you've not been live streaming, you should start now. Live streaming will help you grow your channel faster. Like, people are watching your videos live, you are seeing your views, your watch hour live. The kind of watch time that you will not even get in 1 hour from your video, you can get it from your 1 hour live session. And the kind of subscribers you will not even get from your video in 3 days, you can get it from your 1 hour live session. So if you've not been live streaming, you should start live streaming now to do your channel. Live stream will do your channel a whole lot of good. And the good thing is that to live stream, you only need 50 subscribers and a verified YouTube channel. Now go ahead to verify your phone number on YouTube, because YouTube doesn't like bot operating channels. So go ahead to verify your phone number so that YouTube is aware that it's a channel operated by a human, and YouTube can start pushing out your channel. Verify your phone number or confirm if your phone number is verified on YouTube. You can decide to do a talking head live stream, a silent live stream, or even use restream. But when you are using restream, make sure to use your content, or if you're using a content from the internet, make sure to edit that content properly before you post it on your restream, so that you don't get a copyright strike. For your live streaming sessions, you know you cannot exceed 12 hours. Live streaming only lasts for 12 hours. Any minute over 12 hours is nullified. That live stream will be nullified. YouTube will cancel it. Your watch time will not be affected, neither will your views be affected. So anything over 12 hours for a live stream, YouTube prohibits that. So make sure that your live streaming is within 12 hours. 10 hours is even enough. 10 hours is okay, so that you don't go and encroach by mistake. So you slip off, and before you know, 12 hours have passed. So 10 hours is enough for your live stream. It's also very important that while you are on YouTube, you follow YouTube's policy, YouTube's guide all the time. So this particular feature called altered content, make sure that you're always checking the box either yes or no. If you're using altered content or AI generated content, make sure that you're checking the box as yes. If not, make sure that you're checking the box as no. But always make sure that you do not upload your video without checking a box. This altered content is one of YouTube's most valued policies, so make sure that you are obeying it. Always check the box. If you have not been doing that, start doing it now, so that you are sure that you are obeying YouTube's policy. Make sure you are checking the box before every upload. Not all videos will do well today. It doesn't mean that if a video is not doing well, you should go ahead to delete it. YouTube frowns against you deleting a video you've already uploaded and even re-uploading it. It's even worse when you now go and re-upload that video. YouTube will flag your channel, and you might even get shadow banned because of that singular act. So make sure that, to avoid deleting already uploaded videos, you can unlist them or make them private, but avoid deleting it, so that your channel does not get shadow banned and prevent you from getting views on your future videos. Do you get? A video that is not performing well today will definitely perform as long as you used SEO optimized keywords in that video. So if the video is not performing well today, leave that video. In the next 3 months, the video can pick up. In the next 6 months, the video can pick up and perform and even overperform. So if a video is not performing well today, don't delete it. Just leave that video. But make sure that before you are leaving that video, you optimize that video. Like, do your own part to make that video sing. Do your own part to make YouTube recommend that video. Probably at that point in time, that's not what your viewers want to see. Maybe a lot of people are not searching for that topic on that video at that particular time. But at the time when a lot of people search for it, your video will blow up, your video will peak. If you're still watching at this point, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and drop a comment for me. Also subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on any of my updates. On this channel, I share YouTube growth tips that help you grow your channel and get monetized faster. Next, identify trending topics and jump on trends. It's very important that you jump on trends, especially on this social media space. If you want to make it in social media, you have to be jumping on trends all the time. Like, identify whatever is trending in your niche, jump on that trend, and you'll be sure that you do well, your video will do well. If the big YouTubers are getting 100,000 views, at least you will get 1,000 views, like views that are higher than your regular views. So make sure that you're jumping on trends. Identify what is trending in your niche, follow big YouTubers in your niche and see how they create their content, see how they edit their content, see their style, monitor their time of upload and mimic them, and you'll be sure that your videos will start doing well. See the kind of hashtags they use in their videos too, and you'll be shocked at how your videos will start performing very well. Lastly, also make sure that you are uploading your videos at the time when your viewers are online. You see this graph right here? It tells you when your viewers are online, when many of your viewers or when very little of your viewers are online. So make sure that you are uploading your content when very many of your viewers are online. That's what will enable you to recommend your videos more, because if you upload your videos when your viewers are online, those viewers are going to engage on that video, and the more the engagement on your video, the more the algorithm pushes your video, because it's going to tell the algorithm, those engagements will be telling the algorithm that your video is valuable, and the algorithm will start pushing that video. So if you've not been uploading at the time when your viewers are online, make sure to start uploading your videos at the time when very many of your viewers are online. If you do not know how to read this graph, you can watch this video right here where I explain everything on how you can know when it's best for you to upload your videos. And if you do not have this graph yet on your channel, I also explain what you can do and what you can mimic to know when it's best for you to keep uploading your content. Lastly, stay consistent. Consistency is key on YouTube. Consistency is key to growth on YouTube. If you want to grow, stay consistent. Have a regular posting time. Have a regular day of the week when you post your content. Just show up every day. Make sure that you post weekly. If you cannot post every day, make sure that in a week you post 1 or 2 times. If you can't post long form videos, you can post shorts. You can post shorts. If you can't post long form videos, you can post shorts or even schedule live streams. You can do silent live stream. You don't really have to show your face on your live stream. If you found this video helpful, make sure to smash the like button, drop a comment for me, and subscribe to this channel. Also turn on the bell icon so you never miss out on any of my updates. Until next time, bye.